Various forms of hair lightener. Hair lighteners are used to lighten the natural color of the hair by removing its pigment. They are available in oil, cream, and powder for use on and off the scalp. On the scalp lighteners. These lighteners are formulated to be safe for direct application on the scalp, typically used for overall lightening or root touch-ups. The different types of on-the-scalp lighteners are cream lighteners. Thick and creamy, they often contain conditioning agents to protect the hair and scalp during the lightening process. These are gentle and provide even lightening. Oil lighteners. These are milder than powder lighteners and can be used on the scalp for a less intense lightening effect. They are usually mixed with an activator and applied to the scalp. Powdered off scalp lighteners. These lighteners are strong and fast-acting, designed for use away from the scalp. They are commonly used for highlighting techniques where the product should not touch the scalp. Characteristics. Powder lighteners are mixed with a developer to create a paste that is applied to the hair. They often contain persulfates, which are effective at breaking down the hair's natural pigment. Application. Typically used in foil techniques for highlights, balayage, and freehand lightening methods. They can cause scalp irritation if applied directly to the scalp. Purpose and use of toners. Toners are used after the hair has been lightened to achieve the desired hair color. Toners neutralize or enhance any remaining underlying pigments within the hair shaft, such as yellow, orange, or red that result from the bleaching process. The purpose: neutralize brassiness and unwanted warm tones. Refine the shade of blonde or lightened hair. Add specific hues or tones, e.g., ash, platinum, beige, to the lightened hair. The use: applied to damp hair after lightening, typically with a developer. Left on for a specific amount of time, usually between 5 to 20 minutes, depending on the desired result. Regularly reapplied as necessary to maintain the desired tone, especially for blonde hair which can fade or become brassy over time. The three most commonly used methods for highlighting. Foil highlights. Uses foils and a needle comb to slice or weave out selected hair strands. Description: sections of hair are coated with lightener and wrapped in foil. Benefits: allows precise placement of highlights, creating uniform lightening and preventing the lightener from touching other hair sections. Use: ideal for achieving high contrast highlights and for intricate patterns, suitable for all hair lengths and types. Balayage can also be referred to as a free-form technique. Description: lightener is hand-painted onto the hair in sweeping motions, typically starting away from the roots. Benefits: creates a natural, sun-kissed look with softer, more blended highlights. It grows out with a natural transition, requiring less frequent touch-ups. Use: preferred for a more natural and low-maintenance look. Popular for its customizability and suitability for a wide range of hair lengths and textures. Cap highlights is a method using a perforated cap on clean dry hair. Description: hair is pulled through a perforated cap using a hook, and lightener is applied to the pulled-through sections. Benefits: good for creating evenly spaced highlights and is effective for achieving fine, uniform highlights. Use: suitable for shorter hair and for achieving fine, evenly distributed highlights. This method is less common now but still effective for certain styles. Each highlighting method has its own set of applications and benefits, and the choice depends on the desired look, hair type, and maintenance preferences.